Hello, this is going to be a little video about a solution to a problem that I've had with the Amazon Echo Dot. And I have a bunch of these around the house. Some of them are on tables, others are on, like this one. It happens to be on a bench in the utility room. And the problem that a lot of these have is if they're sitting in a location that they could get bumped or sat on, or water dripping on them or something, it causes a potential problem. So I did some research and I found a product on Amazon which is actually from a third party, and it's called this Dottie, and this one happens to be in white to match the Echo Dot. And what it does is it's designed so that it will support the dot on a wall outlet and also power it, so you don't have cables running around to power the dot. So I'm going to do an unboxing and then and show how it's put together and the pros and cons I found with it. Okay, we're up in my office right now, and I'm going to show you do an unboxing of this Dottie to show you how it goes together. So let's open the box up. Okay, so we got several pieces in here. What we have here is this plastic bracket that's in white. We have a transformer. It's a USB power supply that to take the place of the power supply that came with the Echo Dot, and that's this little thing here. And it has the plug folds out like this. Okay. And the interesting thing about this, the reason why this is kind of a unique power supply, is that it has the USB plug here on the side rather than in the top, like the one that comes with the Echo Dot. So let me get the little piece of paper off of here first. See if I can find the end. There it is. So you peel the paper off here. Get rid of that later. Okay, and it also comes with this short micro USB cord, which is designed to tuck into this into the bracket so it's hidden. And basically what you do is you take this and you plug it in here. Okay, and then take the bracket here and insert the transformer into this pocket, push it all the way in. It'll seat pretty well once it's pushed in. The nice thing about, there are other brackets for the Echo Dot on the market, but this actually has the lowest profile. So when you plug the unit into the outlet, you'll have the least amount of brackets sticking out from the wall, and that was kind of important to me. I had a couple of places I want to put this where people walk by, and I want to make sure that it doesn't get knocked off the wall. Okay, the next step is you take your Echo Dot. You can turn it over like this, and it fits in actually through this direction. It's a little tight, which is good. Let's see if I can get the plug in right. There it goes. Okay, so it's plugged in, and now you have to sort of fish this and push it into place like that, and it will spring apart so that it will let you push it in, and it's very firmly locked in. Once it's in, it's pretty firm. It has a couple little teeth here on either side to keep it for sure not falling forward, and it has these in the back. And the speaker is in the back of the Echo Dot. The microphone is right here in the middle, and it will hold out from the wall, so the sound will reflect off the wall once you plug it in. And this, you have to fish this a little bit to make sure that it's out of the way, but it's pretty easy to tuck it in there once it's done. Okay, next step is we're going to plug it into a wall outlet, and I will show you how that's accomplished. Okay, we're back in the utility room downstairs in front of an outlet that I want to plug this into. It's in a little hallway that goes out towards the backyard. And so here is our Dottie with the unit installed. And let me go ahead and plug this in. And let me back it up so a little bit so you can see it. I plugged it in upside down like this so that it seems like a little bit further off the floor. It has a little bit better pickup for the microphone. And it is out from the wall a little bit. And of course it's booting up right now. Okay, we're booted up, and so let's test it out. Echo, turn off the utility room light.
Okay.
And the light is off in the utility room, so we're going to try turning it on. Echo, turn on the utility room light.
Okay.
Okay, so that's it. The unit, I think, is very well done, well made. The transformer absolutely is fine for powering the Echo Dot. Really, I haven't found anything negative about it. It seems to pick up pretty much a pretty good distance away from the unit, and haven't really noticed any problem with plugging it sort of in the low side, you know, as far as the outlet compared to where it was on the vents. Okay, if you've liked this little review, subscribe to my channel and give me a like. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.